Hey everyone, my name is Mateo and I'm gonna teach you today how to draw portraits. This one will be of Morgan Freeman, but the structure and the tips will be useful for practically every portrait you want. So let's begin.
So the first thing we need to draw is the oval shape for the face, and we may want to do it a little bit flattened in the bottom because it's the chin and it's important to do so. And we have to draw the ears, which will be the reference for our eyebrow line, our eye line as we can see, and our end of the nose line. And then we divide it into hemispheres by a vertical line, and that will be the reference for the nose. We also want to draw the triangle that will work for the nose and the shape of it, and that will be the first step, ladies and gentlemen. Do the basic structure. The next thing we need to draw is the mouth line, and then we start drawing the eyebrows. The eyebrows have many shapes, but the most common one is the one that gets narrower in the edge of the face and thicker to the center of the nose. And then we have to start drawing the eyes. The eyes have this oval shapes form, but they get pointier in the edges and wider in the center. Then we start drawing the center of the nose that resembles a pear with two curvy protuberances for the nostrils. This has to be done to the form of the shape you're drawing. And then we have to start doing the basic form of the face. And you have to be very careful and try to draw it in 2 dimensions. And then you draw the details of the ear. The ear has this triangular shape. And then we start drawing the irises and the pupils, and that will give it like this human shape, and then the hair. So the next thing we need to draw is the lines of the irises that are convergent to the pupil, and also the lines of the eyelids. This is important because every person in life has eyelids. And the next thing we need to do is to erase all these structural lines that we did before, because we have to get a clearer view about the face. And then we draw the lips. The lips are like 2 oval shapes. And also we have to start drawing the nose with all the shades and all the first lines of expression. The first lines of expression are the ones around the mouth, and every person has them. We also need to find the nostrils, and they have this special shade that goes around the nose. And also we have to shade all the trace of the nose from the eyebrows to almost above the mouth. And we have to shade the pupils also. They are quite black. And these lines of expression under the eyes, these are very important, especially in old people. And also the beard. The beard is a main characteristic of Morgan Freeman, and we have to pay close attention to the characteristics of a face because it gives it identity, and this defines what a person is. We have to also draw the chin line, and also the lines of expression of the forehead. This is very important. Here, as you can see, I finished drawing the beard. I gave it a more realistic shape, and then we start drawing these lines of expression around the lips. We already did the ones around the eyes, and also the cheekbone shades, because this gives the face realism. And also we have to add shades to the lines of expression of the forehead, and then we can start drawing the freckles, because these ones are important, are one of the main characteristics of the face. We have to take a close look to all the characteristics. If he has lenses or more shady parts of the face, maybe prominent cheekbones. But then we continue drawing the edges, and we add like details of shade. And also we have to do realistic lips. This is done with vertical lines in both lips. Then we draw the earring he has, and also the other ear, and that is the drawing.
So that will be all for today. This is the final result, and this is compared to the picture. And hope you enjoyed it. Hope it will be useful for you, and see you next time.